This rope will stop me from thinking, from hearing all these horrible words. Maybe these pills will relieve me, cause I thought the pain will end, but it's getting worse. I'm that unrecognized, unloved, that rose. Take this seriously. When you found my body, I won't be doing a dead pose. I'll cut my wrist, blood will be dried all over the bathroom floor. Please don't cry once you open the door. Once you see me lying down on the floor, just smile. Know that now I'm happier than before. Now I won't have sleepless nights till 4. Now I won't have to force you to say you love me. No, now I won't feel unwanted or lost. I'ma drink all those chemicals I brought from the school lab. Add a little bit of water from the tap. When my eyes are wide open with no blink, don't give me claps or slaps. When I ain't breathing anymore, don't pop my heart, don't give me your breath. I don't belong. It's like I'm what everyone fears. It's like they see joy in my tears. Those that love me don't get much from me. You know the pain of being a hero in someone's eyes, but you can't save them. You can't give them hope. You just can't help them. Can't even rate how I feel by myself out of 10. No, I ain't crazy. I'm saying I just feel like my dreams are all crashed and things will never be the same. They'll never be good. They'll never change. Dad, open some space for me wherever you are. I'm on my way, Dad. Why did you have to leave me all alone here? I thought you said you was leaving for me. I can't blame you though. Nobody ever stays. I'm coming. Wait for me. I stand for nothing in this so-called kingdom. I'm just a lost soul prisoned by my own brains. No freedom. Tired of telling people what I want and need. I feel dumb. This is my last suicide note. Don't feel bad when I'm gone.